Today we're going to practice a couple of methods of multiplying polynomials, and I'm going to start over here on the left where I have a binomial 4x minus 7 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 3. The first method I'm going to use is that distributive property where I multiply each term in the first binomial by each term in the trinomial. Important to remember is that when we are multiplying with the same base, we add the exponents. And if I have just 4x, its exponent is 1. Again, this 2x also is going to have an exponent of 1. So my first step is to take 4x and multiply it by each of the terms in the trinomial. 4x times x squared becomes 4x to the third. 4x times 2x becomes 8x squared. And 4x times 3 is plus 12x. Now I have to work with multiplying, and don't forget that that has a negative in it. So negative 7 times x squared because minus 7x squared. Negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x, and negative 7 times a positive 3 is a minus 21. Now I'm not quite done yet because I have to now combine all my like terms. I only have one term with an x to the third, so I just copy that down. Now I have 8x squared minus 7x squared. That leaves me with just 1, and it's positive. I also have 12x minus 14x, and that's going to leave me with a negative 2x. And my minus 21 comes along for the ride. So when you're multiplying using the distributive property, multiply each term in the first polynomial by each term but in the second polynomial. Then combine like terms. We also learned about my favorite method, which was FOIL, and we can only use FOIL with binomials. I need a total of 4 terms. So let's look at this expression on the right hand side, and we're going to multiply my first terms, and I see 3x squared times x, which becomes 3x to the third. Now I go to outside, I have 3x squared times 5, so that would be 15x squared. Now I go to inside, negative 2x times x becomes minus 2x squared. Finally, my last terms, minus 2 times 5 is minus 10x. Now I have to go back and combine like terms again. I only have one term with an exponent of 3, so I just copy that down. I have plus 15x squared minus 2x squared, which leaves me with 13x squared, and just one term with the minus 10x. Hopefully that review will help you out as we are practicing with multiplying polynomials.